this is Pratiksha Jain and I'm going to be your sugar makeup expert for the day. Today we are going to address mascara as one of the most important grooming product in makeup. Let it be natural or glam makeup, it is an absolute essential in my as well as your makeup routine. Today I'm going to show you how to use mascara to the maximum effect. If you use it in the right way, you can even pass up on eyeliner. So let's get started. Today I'm using Uptown Curl Mascara in the shade 01 Black Beauty. So grab your mascara and position the wand of your brush in such a way that the claw of the brush spoons the curve of your lashes naturally. Starting from the root, sweep the wand upwards gently, guiding the shape of your lash as you go. Wiggle the brush side to side for full volume and definition. So this deep black mascara lasts up to 10 hours. And as you can see, its thin bristles help to coat mascara on each lash instantly. Cover it till your inner corner and color it into the absolute last lash. Just turn the curve on the outside and just brush it. Its volumizing, curling and lengthening formula helps you to curl each lash instantly. A lot of us face the issue where the mascara just touches the sides of our eye. In such case, just remove the excess product from the tip of the wand so that such kind of issue doesn't occur. I feel mascara is a very underrated product. Everybody owns it but doesn't use it to the maximum effect. Don't you think? Sugar is giving away 2 of these mascaras to you out there. So read the description down below and enter to win. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe to our Sugar Cosmetic channel. Bye!